Happy Mask Monday. Today we are going to do a mask from the Face Shop, the Solution Nourishing Face Mask. Mask Nourishant pour le visage. That, and then we're going to do some more about birds. And I've already got 10 picked out. So let's get the mask on. I don't have very many masks left. I do have a few that I ordered. So that's got a little bit of serum in it. That reminds me of something. I don't know. Something from high school? I do know. I was looking up, and I think I want to do it. I was watching something yesterday, and it made me think of the shampoo Body on Tap. Oh, this is dripping. Does anybody remember that? Well, I found a recipe to kind of duplicate it. So, I miss that shampoo so much, and did I just rip that? And the smell. So, yeah. Smell reminds me of something. I don't know what it is. Okay. Get the glasses on. You know, I wish I went back in November and went to get new glasses, and they still have yet to come in. I don't know what's up. My daughter said that her and Riker, Amy, they went like a couple of months ago and got glasses. She got her glasses. Riker hasn't got his yet. So, I don't know what's up. Okay. All birds can fly. Some just don't need to. True or false? Well, that's false, because ostriches don't fly. Answer. False. About 60 species of birds lack the ability to fly. A group of birds called ratites, R-A-T-I-T-E-S, ratites, which include emus, ostriches, and what is it? R-H-E-A-S, do not have strong enough chest muscles for flight, but they are fast runners. Maybe that'll be one I'll look up. What percent of the world's birds species live in the rainforest? 50%, 35%, or 64%? Oh gosh. 35? 50. 50% of the world's bird species live in the rainforest of the Amazon and Indonesia rainforests which cover less than 3% of the Earth's surface, which account for more species than any other ecosystem. Angry Birds, a popular video game and movie franchise, features a flock of birds that try to save their eggs from green-colored pigs, a band of evil raccoons, or hungry crocodiles. It's pigs, right? The green pigs try to steal the birds' eggs and eat them. The object of the game is to eliminate the pigs. This simple plot has spawned 17 games and 2 movies. Greetings from the creator of word teasers about birds. My cousins got me to... Is this not even... This isn't even a card. So I need to pick another one. So... Picked out a random one. Okay. Ben Franklin proposed that the wild turkey, rather than the bald eagle, to be the national bird of the United States. True or false? I think he did. False. While Franklin extolled the virtues of the turkey as much more respectable bird than the eagle, a bird of bad moral character, he did not actually propose that it became our national symbol. How many states have the red cardinal as their state bird? 7. Really? Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, North Carolina, Ohio, Virginia, and West Virginia. Did you know settlers named the birds after the bright red robe worn by Roman Catholic cardinals? Are birds mammals? No. Birds are avians. They are warm-blooded and have backbones like mammals, but they have unique characteristics such as feathers and laying eggs that distinguish them from mammals and put them into a separate class of aves. The California conure nearly reached extinction with only 22 individuals alive in 1982. The California condor nearly reached extinction with only 22 individuals alive in 1982. True or false? True? It's true. Conservation and captive breeding programs have returned these magnificent birds to the wild. The California condor's wingspan can reach 9.5 feet, making it North America's largest flying land bird. Ooh. Oh. Ugh. I used to be scared of birds. I mean, I still, in certain settings. When we were little, we went out for dinner, I'm thinking, and we lived in this house. We went out to do something, I don't know, I think eating. We had a big fireplace. And I don't remember, I was told to go in there and turn the light on, or something. I think it was turn the light on. And when I went to turn the light on, oh my gosh, like, they were blackbirds. I don't remember. They were black. And it was like the movie, The Birds. It scared me, and every time I would watch, I mean, I liked that show, and I don't know why. I could watch that show when I was little, but that was almost like the movie. Like, they were going crazy. Oh, my nails that I won from Erie, and the giveaway that I won. I put those on the other night. And they'll probably stay on for a while because I used super glue, like good super glue. Anyway, yeah. So after that, I was terrified of birds. I didn't want to go in that room. Didn't want to turn the light on. Scared of birds. Yeah. Anyway, can a leopard outrun an ostrich? I don't know. True? Oh, no. The only land animal faster than an ostrich is a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animal at 70 mile per hour for short bursts. The ostrich is slower at 60 mile per hour, but can maintain a high speed over longer distances. Crazy. Okay, in birding lingo, what does GISS stand for? GISS. Does it stand for Gee, I saw a sparrow? B, general impression of a shape and size? Or C, give it some seed? In bird lingo, what does GISS stand for? Gosh, I have no idea. B. To identify a bird, birders often use its general aspect and behavior rather than field marks. So, general impression of shape and size. Which country has the highest number of bird species? Ecuador, Colombia, or Indonesia? Oh gosh, I don't know. Colombia. B. According to a recent survey, Colombia has 1,954 bird species. That's nearly 20% of all the bird species in the world. Okay, I've had this on for a little bit, but I'm going to leave it on a little bit longer. Gotta go relax, and I'll be back when it's time to take it off. Okay, let's take this off. Feels nice. And I can tell you that, I mean, I have slacked a few times, like when I haven't done my mask Mondays and I've got out of the routine and stuff. But other than that, when I do at least one mask a week and try to keep up with my, you know, like the other weekly regimen, getting up in the morning and maybe putting something on, or at least putting like a thin sleep mask on, you know, like a cream, that I can't, you know, it helps with the wrinkles. And I mean, I still have wrinkles. I mean, come on, it's not going to take them away. But like crow's feet, I was getting crow's feet, and you really don't see that anymore. Yeah. I mean, you can still see discoloration and stuff from me being in the sun. Ugh. But I can say that it helped, or it is helping, but you do have to keep up with it. So, with that, stay beautiful, stay safe, always love yourself. You have to love yourself first, or no one else can love you. And always remember to tell the ones that you love them, because you never know when it's going to be the last time that you ever get to tell them. You really don't. It can happen just like that. So, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.